Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the taillight bulbs in a 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the taillight bulbs on this 2012 Ford F-150 XLT. And procedures will be similar on a lot of F-150s from 2009 to 2014. But be sure to know the specifics for your truck before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open your tailgate. Use a ratchet and 8mm socket to remove the two bolts securing the taillight assembly. Pull the assembly back directly toward the rear of the truck to disengage it from the plastic tabs. Turn each of the sockets counterclockwise to remove them from the back of the assembly. Then set the assembly aside. Remove the bulb you need to replace by disconnecting it from the wire harness. Push the new bulb into the wire harness. Repeat this for each bulb that needs to be replaced. Secure the bulbs in their sockets in the taillight assembly by turning them clockwise into place. Push the assembly back into place, making sure to align the plastic tabs. Replace the two 8mm bolts you removed previously. We recommend changing taillight bulbs in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Close the tailgate if you like. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.